Listen up, no one ever got rich by saving in a bank account. And I can say that with authority because I've been in the system for years. Think about it. Even the saving interest that you usually give, you barely get up to 2%. And that is dependent on if you don't even touch the money in your account. And most accounts don't even get to see that 2%. Meanwhile, charges for maintenance, government levy, transaction fees, transaction charges are slowly eating up your bank balance. And then think about it. The eggs you could afford at 15 naira few years ago, you no longer can. You can only get eggs at 200 naira now. So that means as you're keeping your money in a bank account, the value is slowly going down. Inflation. Ouch. Why don't we do a little experiment? Transfer 5,000 naira from your traditional bank account, either from the application or from USSD. Then when you've transferred that 5,000, the next day, why don't you just try to get a one-day statement, print it out, and then go through your statement? Honestly, it will shock you how much charges are being taken away from your account when you transfer just a single 5,000 naira. That's right, just 5,000, and then you look at your statement, and then the slow secret charges are revealed. EMT levy, government charges, transaction fees, SMS charge, over 5,000 naira. Then how much is your 5,000 naira supposed to be worth when all those little charges have been taken away from it? When you calculate all those tiny little charges for 1 year, it will shock you how much has gone away from your account, how much has been eaten away from your bank balance. This is not even due to inflation. This is just solely based on Nigerian taxation policies and how the Nigerian financial institutions operate. That is just a separate issue. That alone is enough to eat into your bank balance. Adding to the fact that what your 100,000 could afford for you 1 year ago, 2 years ago, is no longer possible. It is now double that, almost triple that. It's no longer possible. So what are the options today? Rather than you saving your little money in your traditional bank account and expecting that it's your savings were somehow going to make you the next millionaire in town, or expecting suddenly that the money you saved over the years was going to be like a security for you, it is not. It is not. Why not try investing in areas where you're sure that your capital is not being put at risk, but you're getting at least decent return in exchange? I can't say it's much, it won't make you rich, but at least it is way more decent than what you will get when you save your money or put your money in a traditional bank account over the years. So what are some of the places you can actually put your money that would give you decent return? Not much, but decent enough to be better than just wasting your money and killing your money and becoming poorer every year in a traditional bank account. First of all, you can try treasure bonds. Treasure bonds usually have a return rate of 14%, 11%, 13%. But to me, it is still a better option than leaving your money in a traditional bank account. You can also try small agro investments. I think Piggyvest was the first app I started investing with. I got a Piggyvest app, I downloaded it, and then there were these agro investments that you could invest little amounts of money and get decent amounts in return. It had a beginning period and an ending period. You don't always get a hold of them, they come and they go, but still it was able to help me save money as a student. It was able to help me earn passive income as a student. You can start with investment as low as 10,000, you can start with investment as low as 5,000. That is how I started. The returns were little, but it was still something. It was better than what I was getting in my traditional bank account. So you can download an app like Piggyvest and start from there. Or you can try investing in small real estate mutual funds. There are real estate mutual funds where you combine your money for real estate projects and then you get returns back based on your initial investment. Or you can also use your 5k, 10k that you would have put in your traditional bank account and left to rot, and you can use it to get penny stock and sell a few months down the line for quick capital appreciation. Or you can keep for a long period of time if you're not in any hurry, and slowly they appreciate over the years, and then you can sell it or get dividend on it based on how you choose. All these solutions is better than letting your money sit and rot in the bank while the bank slowly gets rich with your own sweat and your tears. Guess how much banks charge for their interest rate? Banks charge 36%, 48% interest rates with your money. Think about it. With your money that you're depositing in a traditional bank account, banks are loaning those money out to those starting business and collecting interest rates at 36, 48%, at 36 to 48%. While you are busy accumulating money for them and then getting 2% per year as interest, and then those 2% interest rates are being taken in the form of secret charges, taxations on your account. So you lose more than you gain, and meanwhile they are profiting off your money by giving out loans, by investing in forex trade, by investing in shares, in stocks, and earning money and giving you 2% and taking back those 2% with account maintenance fee, ATM maintenance fee, and all that stuff. Think about it. Just pause for a moment and think about it. One thing I've heard that has never left my mind is the fact that money is a mindset. Wealth is a mindset. And if you're going to get wealthy, starting from now, you need to have a different mindset. You need to move away from the traditional mindset. The mindset where you felt if you wanted to get something, if you wanted to make something of yourself, you had to save. We are no longer in the era of saving. Nobody does that anymore. We have moved away from the era of saving, and now we are into the era of investment and earning passive income. And for you to properly start your journey of investment and earning passive income, you need to stop saving today. And when I say you need to stop saving today, I don't mean you need to stop accumulating money. I mean you need to stop dumping your money in a traditional bank account. And you need to start putting your money where it will work for you, grow for you while you sleep. You need to have the mindset today that saving is only going to make you poorer as the years go. But when you invest and reinvest, it is only going to earn you passive income and dividend. My advice for you today is get a different mindset. From today on, from this video on, anytime you get a little income and then you're thinking of leaving that income in your bank account, just think to yourself, if I leave this money in my traditional bank account, before the end of this month and by next month, I'm going to get poorer by at least 20%. Even if it's 5,000, just think of yourself poorer by 20%. And when you think of this, I assure you, believe me, you're going to think of the next best investment opportunity where you can put that 5,000 and it will at least grow for you, even if it's by 1K. It will at least grow for you in 1 month time, even if it's by only 1,000 naira. It is still better than you getting poorer by 20% by the next month. Think about it. Getting an increase of 1,000 naira by the next month, or being poorer by 20%, 30% by the next month. Which one is better? You decide for yourself. Anyway, this is just me coming to you from my experience of being a banker for years and telling you we are going to make it. But before we make it, we have to change our mindset. And this is one of the mindsets we have to change. This is the first thing we have to change. To stop seeing saving in a traditional bank account as the way out. It is not the way out. It is the way in to poverty. So comment down below what you're going to do with the next income you receive, if you're going to save it or if you're going to invest it, if you're going to make it grow or if you're going to make it shrink. Comment down below what you want to do. And if you need advice on where to put that money, how to use that money, how to use that income, where to put that income, you can comment down below and I'll also answer you. I answer every comment. So like, subscribe and share this video to someone who needs it the most, someone who needs to stop saving in a traditional bank account, and someone who needs to realize that they are only getting poorer if they keep saving in their traditional bank accounts. Bye, and I'll see you in my next video.